idling. Yeah, it's idling all right. I checked it with my new carb tune. Hold on. I checked it with my new carb tune, and it seems to be pretty close. You know, within reason of me having to reach in there with tools and fuck around. So I think I'm calling that one a success. But gotta tighten up some parts and get rid of this thing. It's not. I didn't. No. So I think for now this thing's gonna be a-okay to sit the way it is until I can actually get working on it at the new house. So that's going to sit. That means this is going to sit for 2 months. I don't think I can let it sit like that. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I'm not going to have the willpower to let this sit for 2 months. But I need to let it sit for 2 months. Oh, and FYI, I was going to try using the old RD 15 toother, but these aren't right. Dang it. Other than that, look at my mess. It's a mess. My garage is a mess. I'm a mess. The RD hasn't seen the sun in like weeks. Somebody help.